Here's how to get Amazon Prime for young adults free without a .edu email. So the good news is Amazon Prime for young adults, which used to be Amazon Prime Student, is actually a 6-month free trial followed up by 50% off Amazon Prime. Now you'll go to this page, there's a link in the description, it'll take you right to this landing page where you can get the 6-month free trial. And then you click Try Prime for young adults, and you don't have to have a .edu email, but you do need to be between 18 and 24 years old. You'll see this verify as student, but if you click on the tab next to it, it says verify as an 18 to 24-year-old, and you can get that 6-month free trial, or you can just pay that 50% off price for Amazon Prime for young adults. And with this Amazon Prime membership, you actually also get this extra 5% cash back, which is pretty cool and not available on regular Prime. If you don't qualify for any of this, you can still get Amazon Prime for 30 days off and try it free for 30 days and then pay after that, or look at the Prime Access plan, which if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see plan discounts up to 50% off. That would be this one, qualified government assistance. See if you qualify for that and you can get Amazon Prime free for 30 days and then 50% off after that. But to get Amazon Prime for young adult without a .edu address, you don't have to be a student, but you do need to be between 18 and 24 years old or have that email address. That's how you can get 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime.